So this is the week 2 workout that we'll be doing here, kind of a continuation of what we started last week, continuing with the circuit workouts. I'm not going to bother putting videos of the warm-ups and cool-downs in for the rest of these videos just because we're going to keep the same warm-up and same cool-down. I think it makes everything easier, and it's still warming up your entire body and then stretching out your entire body after the workout. Um, I will have all the exercises be listed in the same order that they're to be performed. The circuit works the same way. One exercise, 30 to 60 seconds rest to the next, to the next, to the next. Once you complete all 4, that's 1 set. Goal here is to complete 5 to 6 sets. One more thing as well is try to progress. So if you can, it is listed at 60-second rest in between each exercise. Gradually work that down, because the ultimate goal here is to be able to do all 4 exercises for a minute straight in that target heart rate zone, and then rest for the 30 to 60 seconds and then perform it. That'll get you through the exercise or the workout the quickest. Your target heart rate zone is 19 to 21 beats every 10 seconds. If you have any device that can take your heart rate, that'd work pretty well. Or if you don't, if you just want to take it, I would just say after every exercise, check your heart rate when you're doing that 30 to 60-second rest immediately after the exercise. And if you're too high, lower the intensity just a bit. If the heart rate is too low, then that 19 to 21 range for 10 seconds, increase the intensity or how hard you're doing each exercise to get in that right zone. Again, all the videos here are in the same order for each exercise as listed on the paper. The circuit, again, every set, as many as possible. Don't worry about the number of reps you're performing. Focus more on being in that heart rate zone of 19 to 21 beats every 10 seconds. If you do have a heart rate monitor and it only gives it by minute, just multiply 19 and 21 by 6, and that'll give you the full 60-second readings. A couple notes for, well, actually, mainly, just primarily one note, is for the shoulder extensions. As you can see in the video, in between the shoulder flexion and the extension, limited time, focus more, because that's where really the power is being built on these serves, is limiting the time between getting back into position for the serve and then extending, or flexing through, or extending through, extending through. The more time you wait in between, the more energy you're really giving up to heat. So if you really want to maximize that energy, the time between the flexion and extension, keep that real limited, just forceful explosion through. That'll do it for the week 2 workout. Again, if you have to, if you question or don't remember how to perform any of the warm up or cool down exercises, just reference the week 1 workout video. That'll have them all. We'll keep the workouts the same throughout the entire training periods, just because it'll make everything easier. And the circuit workout, remember, focus more on being in that right heart rate zone than the number of reps you're performing. So that'll do it for week 2. I'll talk to you next week.